pinned posts are here and I love it. If you are a health and fitness brand using Instagram for your business, this is how I would suggest using your pinned posts. First off, you don't have to use this feature. You don't have to use any feature that Instagram comes up with, but I think from a business standpoint, this is going to be a game changer. Yes, the top 3 spaces of your Instagram profile is very valuable real estate, but right now with pinned posts, that can be like 3 different pages of your website. Essentially, we used to only have the Instagram bio to give 150 characters of who we are, who we work with, how we can help, and how people can work with us. Now we have 3 graphics that can take up 30 different pages in order to communicate that to new members of our audience and current members of our audience. I suggest filling up those 3 slots with who you are, who your brand is, what your brand values are, what your paid offers are, if you have any free resources, how people can get those, how best to navigate either your Instagram, the link in your bio, or other platforms that you might be on as well. Ideally, this makes their life easier and in turn makes your life easier from a professional and business standpoint. It's a win-win and we love a win-win. Bonus, if you lack clarity in any of these areas, this is going to be a very difficult process for you. So follow me, download my free shit, check out my pinned posts to learn more about me, my brand, and what you can expect to find here. I hope that was helpful and good luck on your pinned posts.